combining human and animal genes. What kind of creature could be created? Two top scientists began a secret experiment, but instead, they created a monster. That day, that a man entered the lab. Suddenly an accident occurred. The air pressure in the amniotic fluid was too high. The embryo began to lose control. The doctor had no choice but to put her hand inside, but she was suddenly sucked in by the embryo. The husband saw what was happening and he flipped the switch. All the amniotic fluid came out. Then he takes out a knife and cuts through the embryo's shield. The woman is finally saved, but the embryo inside is still alive and kicking. The umbilical cord fell straight to the floor. The man covered it with a plastic ball, and then he pressed it down with a heavy object. At that moment, the noticed something unusual about the embryo. It had a poisonous stinger on its tail. The men then placed it in a protective cover. When they returned to the lab, they found the embryo dead. After the man left, the woman noticed a distinct stickiness on the vessel. When she turned the embryo over, she found it empty. Then something suddenly fell from behind.